great workshop. Before, I had no idea what I was walking into. I had never played pickleball before. And after I was enthused, I couldn't believe I wanted to play it again. And I think I learned a lot from the game that I can apply to my practice. And I felt energized.
Before the workshop, I had no idea what pickleball was or what it could entail and how it could connect to work. And after the workshop, I felt really knowledgeable in how pickleball can also connect to work and its experiences.
I had no idea what pickleball was, and I had no idea that it had anything really to do with life.
But what was challenging?
Learning something new.
Doing something new.
Yeah.
Ever happen on the job where you do something new and you have challenges?
Yeah.
Okay, and when you first start doing it, it's kind of tough, right? But when you do it over and over again, what happens?
It gets easier.
It gets a lot easier. Okay.
After pickleball, I knew that the leader has to be a good follower and also part of the team as a result. So yeah, leadership.